Bro, the OnePlus 15 looks calm from the outside, but the moment you power it on, the phone behaves like it's hiding a jet engine under the display. A 165Hz panel, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a massive 7300 mAh battery, and temperature control so good it makes other flagships feel embarrassed. Today on Tips and Tech, I'm breaking down whether this device is the real deal or just another shiny distraction. Stay with me, friend. Some things here are truly impressive. Before we get into the heavy stuff, let's unbox it. Inside the box, you get a Type-C cable, documentation, and depending on your region, maybe a charger, maybe not. Bro, the unboxing feels premium, no doubt. The presentation is clean, organized, and modern, but compared to previous OnePlus boxes that felt stuffed with value, this one feels a bit too minimal. For a flagship near the $1,000 mark, I wish they included more accessories. Still, the packaging gives that high-end product feeling right away. Design and build. Premium long-lasting feel. This time, OnePlus ditched the oversized circular camera module and went with a sharper, more polished rectangular design. The flat edges give it a modern flagship identity, and the micro-arc oxidation finish makes the phone feel durable and comfortable in the hand. But friend, let's be honest, the phone is flat. Very flat. If you love the curved grip from older OnePlus models, this might feel a little boxy. It's premium, yes, but your hand may get a bit tired during long sessions. Another major change, the iconic alert slider is gone. OnePlus replaced it with a customizable action button. More flexibility, but some of us will miss that classic switch. The OnePlus 15's back feels premium with its flat micro-arc oxidation frame and matte glass that barely shows fingerprints. The Sandstorm version gets a ceramic-level coating that's tougher than normal aluminum. It's solid, cold to the touch, and surprisingly scratch-resistant in everyday use. No cheap plastic vibes here. Just a clean, durable flagship body done right. Display, 165Hz, but not everywhere. The OnePlus 15 brings a 165Hz LTPO panel, and on paper, it sounds like the future. The display is smooth, colorful, and sharp. Touch response hits 3200Hz, which makes every swipe and tap feel instant. But here's the truth, bro. Only around 10 to 15 games actually run at 165Hz. Most apps and UI animations max out at 120Hz, and some supported games drop to 120Hz after a few minutes of heavy action. Brightness reaches around 1700 nits, solid for outdoor use, though not industry-leading. Still, the display feels fast and immersive. For gamers and fast-scrolling users, this is a major upgrade. Performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is an absolute powerhouse. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, the phone handles everything with confidence. But here's something interesting. Pro mode is not the maximum performance mode. The real power comes from the stable performance mode, which balances heat and frame rate far better. Bro, when it comes to raw gaming power, the OnePlus 15 goes all in with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. But it also shows the truth behind extreme performance. In Antutu, the phone struggles to cross 3 million points, even though other devices with the same chip reach 3.5 MEM 4 MEMs with cooling. In stronger heat, I even got results around 2.8 million. Geekbench scores stay solid at 2138 single-core and 78896 multi-core, but again, not record-breaking. The main reason? Heat. Heavy loads push the phone up to 55 degrees Celsius, forcing system protection and closing 3D mark around the 14th cycle. Real gaming, though, is much better. First blood hits 165 FPS in the lobby, then settles at 120 FPS in matches. Fortnite starts near 120 FPS, then stabilizes around 90 FPS at max settings. PUBG Mobile performs without issues, and daily gaming stays cool at 40 to 43 degrees Celsius, especially with bypass charging. OnePlus clearly wants consistent performance instead of random spikes. This approach works, especially for gaming. Even during heavy gaming, temperatures stay around 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. That is extremely stable. Many phones shoot up to 50 plus and throttle hard, but the OnePlus 15 keeps a cool head. In War Thunder, it holds 100 to 120 FPS without sudden drops. The brightness also stays above 1000 nits, even after extended gameplay sessions. Battery and charging. The 7300 mAh battery is huge. Charging, 120 watt wired, 50 watts wireless. Bypass mode for cooler gaming. Depending on the region, the 120-watt charger may or may not be included in the box, but the charging experience itself is fast and reliable. Camera, good, but clearly not the main priority. All three main sensors are slightly smaller than the previous generation. The OnePlus 15 comes with a triple 50-megapixel rear camera system and a 32-megapixel front camera with autofocus. The 50-megapixel main wide lens offers sharp detail, natural colors, fast autofocus, and OIS for stable shots. Daytime performance is excellent. While low light is good but not flagship leading. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide captures wide landscapes and group shots with solid edge control and consistent color, though clarity drops slightly in low light. The 50-megapixel periscope telephoto delivers clean 3.5x optical zoom and strong portrait compression with reliable subject separation. Rear video supports 8K 30fps, 4K up to 120 fps, and 1080p up to 240 fps with good stabilization. The 32-megapixel front camera uses an RGBW sensor and autofocus for sharper selfies and steady 4K 1080p video. Overall, the system provides consistent high-detail results across all lenses and reliable everyday performance. The telephoto lens increased to 85mm, which gives cleaner portrait compression. The front camera finally has autofocus. Still, the imaging system does not aim to compete with ultra-premium camera phones. It does well, but the OnePlus 15 is clearly performance first, camera second. Photos have good detail and color accuracy, but low-light performance could be stronger. Before we continue, quick reminder. I've been stuck at 197 subscribers for way too long. People watch my content, they enjoy the breakdowns, but they don't subscribe or like the videos. Each video takes 3 to 5 days to research, record, and edit, and I'm stuck at 197 subscribers. I really need your support. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It helps more than you think. Now here's a question I want you to answer in the comments. Is a 165Hz display actually useful, or is it just impressive on paper? Let me know below. I'll be reading every reply. Pricing. $899 for 12GB, 256GB, $999 for 16GB, 5 to 12GB. Pros: excellent gaming stability and low temperatures. 3200Hz touch response feels extremely fast. Large 7300 mAh battery with efficient performance. Bypass charging keeps the phone cool. No heavy throttling under load. Clean, premium design. Cons: global box contents feel too minimal. Camera hardware smaller than last generation. Flat edge design may feel less comfortable. That's it for this one, friend. I'll see you in the next video.